Absolutely, sister. Please go to the website that I'm going to link in the caption here. You will not be sorry. You will not be disappointed. My sacrum and tailbone area that I won't be showing have been almost completely, they've gone almost from, they've gone from pain to almost no pain very quickly. Just applying this balm in the area on a regular basis. My legs and my edema, my inflammation have gone down. I have been able to go from having serious fatigue to feeling energetic and able to perform a regular day. I'm grateful and flabbergasted and joyful.